Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Komal Riaz. Hope all doing well. Welcome to my channel Human Resource Information System. You can contact me at komal.gil135 at gmail.com. Now I start today my topic. So today agenda. First of all we discuss about lack of privacy protection policies, contingency planning, incident response, disaster recovery, business continuity. Now I tell you about lack of privacy protection policies. Lack of privacy protection policies are particularly important issue for HRIS because unlike many other organizational systems, HRIS include a great deal of confidential data about employees. Importance of privacy protection policies. We are as a human being and we make decisions about it every day in give us a place to live without judgment, allow us to think freely. Confidential data about employees. Important things. First, social security numbers. Second, medical data. Third, bank account data. Fourth, salaries. 5, domestic partners benefits. 6, employment test scores. And 7, performance evaluations. Contingency planning. Basically, three important steps of contingency planning. First, incident response plan. Second, disaster recovery. And third, business continuity. Contingency plan. A contingency plan is a set of procedures that define how a business will continue or recover its critical functions in the event of an unplanned disruption to normal activities. 6 step in contingency planning process. First, identifying mission or business critical functions. Second, identifying resources that support critical functions. Third, anticipating potential contingencies or disasters. And four, selecting contingency planning strategies. And five, implementing contingency strategies. And last, testing and receiving strategies. Incident responses. An incident response plan is a set of instructions to help IT staff detect, respond to, and recover from network security incidents. These type of plan address issues like cybercrime, data loss, and service outage that threaten daily work. Every business, large and small, should have a disaster recovery plan, also known as a business continuity plan, which involves input from management, supervisors, and employees. Having functioning data and backup system means your business will continue to operate. The 5 steps of incident response. First, preparation. Second, detection and reporting. Third, trace and analysis. Fourth, containment and the neutralization. And last, post-incident activities. Disaster Recovery Plan (DRP). A disaster recovery plan (DRP) is a documented process or set of the procedure to execute or an organization disaster recovery processes and recovery and protect a business IT infrastructure in the event of the disaster. Um, Disaster recovery is basically the process of resuming normal operations following a disaster by regaining and access of the data like hardware, software, networking, equipment, power, and the connectivity. Types of disaster recovery plans. First, virtualization disaster recovery. Second, network disaster recovery. Third, cloud-based disaster recovery. Data center disaster recovery. Business continuity planning (BCP). Business continuity planning (BCP) is a process involved in creating a system of prevention and the recovery from potential threats to a company. The plan ensures that personnel as assets are protected and are able to function quickly in the event of the disaster. The asset of the companies means all those things who give a benefit to the company. It's called assets. Business continuity planning process. In a business continuity planning process, we see four things. Preparations. In a preparations, we see risk management. Re- Rehearse, maintain, and review. Risk management. Secondly, preparedness. In a preparedness, we do business impact analysis. Rehearse, maintain, and review. Response. In a response plan, we do rehearse, maintain, and review. In a incident response plan. Recovery plan. In a recovery plan, we see, rehearse, maintain, and review the recovery plan. And same like business continuity plan do work. Thank you so much everyone for watching my video, and please don't forget like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself.